Hello guys, so in this video we will see how NLP process. Okay, so let us take an example. So let's take the example of Google Assistant. So in the Google Assistant we give it a command and she will recognize our speech. Then the process will work like this. So first there is user input, then the user after the user input the speech recognition software work, and the speech recognition software will try to understand what the user has spoken, so it will parse the sentence in the words. Then come the NLU is natural language understanding, then comes NLG, natural language generator, and then we will see the output of our command. So okay, so this is clear, input is clear and speech recognition software is clear. Now we will try to understand how the natural language understanding and how the natural language generator will work. Okay, so this is basically the process of NLP. So speech recognition software will work like user has spoken, try to catch the words and output a meaningful text. So natural language understanding, what is natural language understanding? So in the natural language understanding phase we will try to understand what do the user say. Okay, what is the intent? Okay, what do the user say and what is the intent of the command, the correct interpretation. So okay, I will give you an example. Let's say I say okay, give me the tank of water. Okay, the sentence is give me the tank of water, tank of water. So tank can have two meanings. It can be a army tank, okay, and it can be a water tank. So how computer will understand for which tank I am talking about, army tank or water tank? So this is the current interpretation. So I am saying okay, give me the tank of water means I am talking about the water tank. Okay, so this is the current interpretation. Okay, fully analyze the content. Okay, fully analyze the content, like I have said that give me the tank of water. So what actually I want to ask, and I want to ask to perform. Okay, so fully analyze what I want, break down the sentences in the tokens. Token, what is token? Like give me the water tank. So token means a separate word. Give is a separate word, give me is a separate word. Okay, so token means the words give me the water tank. Okay, so the distinct words. So this is the natural language understanding. What do the user say? We will try to catch what is the intent, current interpretation, fully analyze the content and break down the sentence in the tokens. What is natural language generation? What should we say to user? Okay, so now we understand what did the user say to us. Now we will try to understand what should we say to user, means what the computer say to a user. It should be intelligent and conversational. Okay, let me give you an example. Suppose I say okay, show hotels near me, show hotels near me. Now look, near me. Suppose I live in Delhi, okay, and I say show hotels near me, and the computer shows me the result of hotels near Mumbai. Okay, so the computer given the reply. Okay, the computer has given the reply, but is the reply intelligent? No, the reply is not intelligent because I have said okay, show hotels near me and I am living in Delhi. So computer should show me the hotels near Delhi, but it is showing the hotels near Mumbai. So the computer has given reply, but reply is not intelligent. That's this point want to say. Deal with textual data we know, and text and sentence planning. Okay, so what is text and sentence planning? So if I say a command, suppose I have suppose I said give me the apple. Okay, give me apple, give me apple, and in the front of computer suppose there is apple, banana and mango. So computer can choose from these three. Okay, and I am saying give me the apple. So computer has total 3 answers, but what is the right answer? Computer can give me a apple, a banana, or a mango, but the right answer is apple. So this is the text and sentence planning. Text and sentence planning means choosing the correct sentence from all the sentence. Okay, so so this is it, how the NLP process. So actually I am explaining you each topic in very easy and short manner, because this is important to catch the theoretical part of NLP, because in the interviews these topics were can be asked to you. Okay, so how NLP process we actually understand. For the speech assistant softwares, first the user has given the command, then the speech recognition software will try to understand what the user has spoken, then NLU will interpret like this, then NLG will interpret like this, and then we will give the output to user. So this is the process of NLP. Okay guys, so thanks, this is it.